Okay, this is exercise 3.3 where we're going to show only the cyclists on the BMC racing team. BMC is just the name of the team. So we happen to notice that the racing team has bib numbers from 21 up to 28. So we're going to have to compare the team member's bib number to see if it's at least 21 and no greater than 28. So let's go to the source code here. Do we have the bib number loaded? No, we don't. So we're going to have to first do that. So I'm going to add a line after 15, say bib number equals cyclist square bracket colon bib underscore number. Command S to save, and let's just make sure that code works correctly. We'll run it with the up arrow here. So no errors. Let's just go on then. So instead of the weight restriction, let's just rip that out first. Lines 19 and 20, lines 23 and 24, and then I'll de-indent the inside of that. Again, let's save and run the program again to make sure there aren't any errors. Okay, that seemed to work correctly. So now let's just compare the bib number. If bib number, and we know that that number is going to be nil because every cyclist in the race needs to have a bib number. So we're going to compare and see if it's greater than or equal to 21, and we can indent everything inside it and put an end to close it. Furthermore, we'll have another if statement saying if bib number less than or equal to 28, and indent further, and again put an end statement. So Command S to save, run the program again, and then we'll switch to the browser and hit reload on this tab. So it does look like all these guys have jerseys, if you can read them, that are red and they say BMC on them. So this seems to be the correct answer to this exercise. Now we can change if we want to write this a little differently, I can go back to my source code, and the programmers of you who are watching this might say, why don't we combine these two conditions? We can actually do that with what's called a Boolean operator, which we write as double ampersand, and then we can delete the other if condition and de-indent everything one size and delete the end after it. So this works too, combining these two conditions into one line. But just to make sure, let's run the program again to test and switch, refresh. Yep, still works. So that's all for that one.